In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for year-end reviews, 2026 full guide. Year-end reviews can feel like a second job, chasing 12 months of metrics, rigid competencies, and scattered notes. In 2026, ChatGPT acts like a career development concierge. I'll show you how to build a hyper-personalized roadmap, streamline your data logistics, surface powerful narrative angles, and assemble a complete review guide in minutes. Grab your performance metrics and let's dive in. First, build a hyper-personalized, dynamic itinerary for your review. Skip vague prompts like write my self-appraisal. Instead, feed ChatGPT your exact goals, constraints, and milestones so it can design a layout that reflects your real impact. Try. Act as an elite executive career coach and corporate talent developer. Create a highly detailed structural roadmap for a comprehensive year-end performance review portfolio. I want to focus deeply on measurable business impact, operational efficiency increases, and leadership competency growth, but avoid dense, repetitive padding or generic buzzwords. Schedule sections by achievement progression, include specific impact metrics for milestones, and format it into a clean markdown table. Before you paste in any data, redact confidential details and keep identifiers generic. Next, optimize complex logistics and route planning. If you're consolidating metrics across tools or projects, ask ChatGPT to map the narrative flow before you write summaries. Use. I am planning my professional impact tracking for my upcoming annual review cycle. I will compile metrics from multiple automated pipelines and need strict alignment across operational efficiency, delivery velocity, and cross-functional collaboration. Explain the most efficient narrative data routing using standard manual tracking guidelines. Include achievement syntax, internal business value links, impact distribution rules, and tips for a clean performance continuity reference sheet. Then uncover hidden local gems and avoid tourist traps. Don't settle for generic phrasing. Prompt. Act as an insider corporate leadership consultant and HR critic. Give me 5 high-impact narrative strategies, unique challenge pairings, or niche leadership dynamics valued by promotion boards but rarely featured in self-appraisal guides. For each, explain why it's unique and how to describe it to avoid shallow self-assessments. After that, generate an all-inclusive packing checklist and pre-trip guide. Command. Generate a comprehensive, categorized quality control checklist for a major performance portfolio review drill this cycle. Include quantifiable business impact, core competency alignment, strategic problem solving, and future career trajectory, plus a short pre-review alert on blind spots, peer feedback boundaries, and phrasing pitfalls. Finally, architect a complete advancement blueprint. Prompt. Act as a corporate talent specialist and strategic workplace tutor. Build a realistic professional advancement assessment for my year-end draft. Allocate strict quality checks for metric-driven logic, voice variation, and execution errors. Break down typical weaknesses, suggest 3 ways to elevate phrasing without losing my voice, and organize it into a performance review dashboard. Hand off the tedious formatting, mapping, and diagnostics to ChatGPT, and focus on landing your next big career leap. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the